Ashu, you don't have lessons.
You're welcome to today's lesson. We are going to study geography, senior 1. Can you hear me, members? Put up your hands if you can hear me. Put up your hands.
Yes, teacher, we can hear
By
you.
show of hands, yes, very good. Yeah. So you're most welcome to today's lesson. And we are a bit late, so I apologize for that. But let us start. You're most welcome. And I want us to go through our lesson as prepared. I'm Mary Bashavile, your host, your teacher. So you're most welcome. You can put down your hands. Thank you very much. So today we are going to look at weather and climate. Weather and climate is our topic today. And we want to, I know in your primary school, you learned about the solar system and the position of the planet Earth in relation to the sun. So now, in this chapter, we are to look at weather and climate. I know many people think weather and climate are the same. So today I want us to make a difference of weather and climate. In this chapter, we are going to learn the differences between weather and climate and how you can measure and record weather. So members, I'm sure you have ever heard about weather in your primary, have ever heard about climate. So by show of hands, I want you to describe for me or to define for me what you understand by weather. What is weather from your background of what you studied? Yes, Isingoma? Isingoma? Joshua?
Weather.
Yes, Isingoma.
Weather is the daily atmospheric condition of a place at a particular time.
Yes.
Weather.
That was Isingoma's submission, yes? Good. Problem, I have a connection problem, maybe a minute. You type. Those who can type answers, because I have a connection problem just. Yes, can I hear from Anyima Maria? Maria? Yes? Isingoma, you want to try again? Your hand is still up. What is weather? What is weather? Chimera Andrew. Yes.
Weather.
Yes.
Is the daily atmospheric condition of a place at a particular time.
Very good. That is weather, that is his submission, daily atmospheric conditions of a place at a specific time. Yes, I can see other hands up. Yes, Chimera Andrew. Mira, if I can read from the chat, Daisa is saying weather is the daily condition of atmosphere recorded for a short period of time. Very good. Very good. Yes, Nakanwaji. Nakanwaji.
Weather is the condition of air or atmosphere at a certain time.
Wonderful. Very good. That is what you have given me as weather, and I know from your primary and what you have learned. Yes, I can hear from Shadik. Shadik is saying weather is the state of change in the atmosphere studied and recorded for a short period of time. Very good. What is very important there is the timing. Weather is the condition of atmosphere at a certain time. And normally we say this must be a short time. It must be a short time. Very good. So when we want to describe weather, we look at what is taking place at that time or a very short time. Weather can be either hot, weather can be, it can either be hot or cold. Weather can be windy or calm, or weather can be rainy. But what we emphasize on is that one cannot take a week. We cannot have weather for a week. We cannot have weather, the same weather for a month. So it keeps on changing from time to time. And our country has many different kinds of weather at different times. It has different kinds of weather at any time. What am I trying to say here? That weather can change anytime. Weather cannot be permanent for a week. It cannot be the same. So we are saying weather overpress is the atmospheric, what the atmosphere is like for a very short time. Weather cannot be the same for even a day. What the weather will be today or what the weather is today cannot be the same how it will be tomorrow. So I want you to look at those pictures. I have different pictures and I want you to tell me what weather is shown in the picture. We have different pictures there.
Until now, where we are recording an average of 295.
Can you look at the picture shown on the screen?
Yes.
I want you to describe for me, for example, picture 1. What type of weather is shown there? We have said weather can be sunny. Picture number 1.
1,247 places.
I want to see by JB. JB.
Yes, it is sunny.
It is sunny.
Picture
Saying
1,
that in
yes.
picture 1, the weather is sunny. What do you think? How can you tell from that picture? What indicates that is sunny? What have you seen? Yes.
Because of the sunlight projection at the background.
Very good. There is sunlight projection in the background. And of course, when you look at the middle foreground and the foreground, you can easily tell that it is sunny. Very good. Then what about picture number 2?
Rainy weather.
Picture number 2, by show of hands, we have Kabari Emmanuel.
Rainy.
Rainy. How can you tell it is rainy?
In the background, I can see umbrella, drops of water, gumboots.
Yes. You can even tell from what that lady is putting on. The boot. is holding an umbrella, and in the background we can see drops
of
of
water.
rain.
Water.
Yeah. So we can easily tell that that is a rainy weather. Then what about picture number 3? By show of hands, we have Anima Maria. Anima? Tracy, your hand was up. Tracy?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Windy weather.
Who is that? Who is that?
Nantumbwe.
Nantumbwe. Very good. Nantumbwe is telling us that in picture number 3, one can easily tell that the weather is windy. What shows that it is windy? What can you easily show?
The trees are being blown.
Come again?
The trees are being blown.
Exactly. When you look at those pictures of the trees, you can see they are bending like one side. And then we can easily tell that there is a cause for the bending of trees. And automatically that is?
Wind.
That is wind. Very good. So we are saying that weather can be of different types. It can be sunny, it can be rainy, it can be windy, or it can be calm. It can be calm. You find that the trees are in their normal position. There's no rain. So we can say the weather is calm. So I have prepared you some activity. And through this activity, we shall learn more about weather. Yes. So when you look at my screen, when you look at my screen, I want you to answer for me. I want us to share those questions, and as we share and we give out our answers, then we shall get to know or to describe weather, especially around our areas. I've told you weather is for a short time. So now I want you to look outside, wherever you are, at home, where you are, look outside. And how would you describe the weather around your home? I want to hear from you. I want to hear people, how they are describing weather. You just look outside. If you can, even if you are inside the house, but you can be able to see outside. If you can be able to see outside, I want you to describe for me the weather around your home. By show of hands. Yes, Tim.
Wow.
Tim?
It's sunny.
Tim is saying that the weather outside their home is sunny. The weather outside Tim's home is sunny, and it cannot be the same all through. I want to hear from
now.
Isingoma. As we describe
It's cloudy.
As we describe, you must know. Yes?
It's windy.
It's windy.
Cloudy.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Me.
Who is that? Can I hear from Shadid?
The weather now is sunny.
Can we answer by show of hands? Yes, Shadid?
The weather now is sunny.
Shadid is saying it. The weather now is Shadid?
Sunny.
It is sunny. That is Shadid. Then what about Emerson?
The weather is cloudy.
It must be
Madam me.
Excuse me, members. At times you might find it's a combination of like 2 elements or 3. So I want you to critically analyze what is taking place outside. Nantumbe,
The weather is calm.
The weather is calm at Nantumbe's place. What does that one show? That weather keeps on changing from place to place. And weather can change from time to
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Is cloudy.
According to Reste, she's saying it is sunny since I see sun rays. Very good. And Nasser Jemima is saying it is cloudy. I want to hear people combine some like two. You just look outside critically. Is it only sunny or there is some wind? Is it only cloud or there is some else?
There is some wind and it's as if it's cloudy.
That is Nantumbe. Very good. Nantumbe is saying there is some wind and a bit cloudy. Very good. That's how you can describe our weather. Another one. Daisy. Daisy.
It is both cloudy and wind.
Very good. It is both cloudy and windy. Yeah. If I can read from the chat, it is sunny. Isingoma is saying there is wind and rain. Whoa, Isingoma, where are you? Isingoma, where are you now? Where is your home, Isingoma?
In Hoima.
Very good. Isingoma is telling us that in Hoima at this hour, it is windy and rainy. And that one cannot be the same all through for us. Some people you can see, they are telling us it is windy and sunny. Others are saying it is windy and rainy. What does that one show? That weather changes from place to place. It cannot be the same. And that one cannot be there for a long time. When we talk about a long time, you cannot say it is raining the whole month. It cannot be rainy the whole week. It has to keep on changing. From time to time. Number two, I want you to look at my screen. Number two on my screen. Now that we have known what it is like outside now, I want us to look at number two. Number two is, what was the weather like around your home yesterday? I want to hear from you. What was the weather like around your home yesterday? And you people, as we give answers, you keep noting down. What was the weather like around your home yesterday? Emerson.
Sunny.
Emerson? How was it around your home yesterday? If you can still remember. Yes, Emerson.
The weather was sunny yesterday at my place.
Very good. Emma is saying that weather was sunny yesterday. And how
it was windy yesterday.
Yes?
It was windy yesterday.
That is Joshua.
At my home, the weather was sunny yesterday.
Nantumbe. Nantumbe,
at my home, the weather was sunny yesterday.
At my home, the weather was sunny yesterday.
Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you for the responses, but I want to pick one by one. Let us be orderly. If I can read Joanne's answer, she's saying the weather was sunny yesterday at my home. Was it just one? Can you describe yesterday's weather also using like 2 elements or 3, or how was it? Very good. Muyinza Connell was like, it was both sunny and windy. Very good, very good. Let me hear from Jacqueline. Jacqueline Nakanwaji. Jacqueline?
In the morning it was windy, and in the afternoon it was sunny.
For yesterday?
Yes.
Yes, Jacqueline saying in the morning it was?
Windy.
It was windy. And in the afternoon?
It was sunny.
Very good. What does that mean? That the weather keeps on changing from time
to time.
Time.
It cannot be the same. So when we are studying about weather, no, we are dealing with something for a short
Time.
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 Madam.
Yes.
Madam.
Who is asking? Yes, Joshua.
I have raised my hand. You're not speaking.
What is your name? What is your name? Joshua.
Joshua.
Who?
Joshua.
Joshua, okay, can you talk to us? Joshua, now Joshua, it's your turn.
Yes, the weather yesterday it was somehow cloudy and sunny. Yeah.
Somehow cloudy and sunny.
And sunny.
Can you be specific? At what time was it cloudy? The whole day?
No.
The whole day?
No, madam. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
It's like this. Yeah.
Yes.
In the morning at 11.
Yes.
Yeah, but and at 6 p.m. evening.
Yes. 6
So
p.m. What was the weather at 6 p.m.?
6 p.m. Yeah.
Yes. What was the weather?
It was sunny.
It was sunny. So
Yeah.
Joshua, I'm saying you are very right. It cannot be the same the whole day. There are certain
Of
changes.
course, madam.
Very good.
Yes.
So Joshua is saying it was a bit quite different from what was the weather in the morning was quite different from the weather in the afternoon. Very good.
You have raised the hand, but you are not picking me.
Who is that? Who is that?
Kabari Emmanuel.
Yes, Kabari Emmanuel. Kabari Emmanuel. It's your turn now.
Yesterday was complicated.
How?
And sunny, windy, cloudy, like that. And today, it's complicated.
No, there's no problem. We are saying whether complicated or simple, we are saying, Kabari, it is a matter of change. It can be cloudy, it can be windy, it can be rainy, no problem. It's not, we are not saying it's complicated, but there are changes. And that is what we call weather. Yes, Kabari, you have...
But you're not speaking me.
Who is that? Who is
This
that?
is Roman.
Debbie.
Roman.
Debbie? Roman?
Yes.
Yeah, Roman Reigns?
Yes.
Yes.
The weather yesterday was cloudy and sunny.
Roman, how was it yesterday at your home?
It was cloudy and sunny. In the morning.
It was cloudy. In the morning?
It was cloudy, and then in the evening it's sunny.
Very good. That is what we call weather. That is what we call weather. Now you can easily tell when there is change outside. Don't say it is complicated as someone was telling us. We always say there is change of weather outside. Yes, Roman Reigns, you have still another contribution? Yes?
No.
Someone is asking, can we write the exercise? You know how we teach and learn these days, especially with our class, senior 1. You keep writing down what you feel is important. So you can jot down something. Thank you. Then number 3.
Okay.
You can keep writing down what you feel is important. Of course, when people are describing weather for today and yesterday, you can put down. Then number 3. Is today's weather different from that of yesterday? Can you look on my screen?
Yes.
Yes. Is today's weather different from that of yesterday or last 3 days? And if yes, I want you to describe the differences.
Yesterday the weather was sunny.
That is Matthew. Yes, Matthew. Matthew.
The weather is cold. Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Yesterday the weather was sunny and dusty.
For yesterday?
And today cloudy. The weather was sunny.
I want you to make a table. You make a table.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Make a table and you write yesterday and today. And then I want you to give me differences. So I can see hands up. Debbie?
Yes.
Debbie.
Like, yes, yesterday the weather was the difference. Yesterday, yes.
Yes.
Like yesterday the weather was so in the morning it was pretty cloudy, and then in the afternoon sunny. Yeah, and then today, this morning, it's just cloudy. No sun at all.
Sorry?
Yesterday it was pretty. Yesterday,
yes,
it was sunny and
yes,
cloudy,
yes.
and then today, it is just cloudy. So that's the difference.
It is just cloudy. And when we quote his answer, when we quote JB's answer, yesterday it was sunny, today it's a bit cloudy. If I can ask JB, do you think that weather condition will keep on for the whole day? If I ask you the same question, maybe at at 4, do you think the answer will be the same? I'm asking JB.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Do you think the same description for today's weather and yesterday can be the same? For example, at 4?
No.
No, the answer is
No.
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 Because we have
No.
said that weather can change anytime. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes, Matthew.
Yes.
Matthew, email. Matthew has typed and is saying, yesterday the weather was sunny and dusty. Today, the weather is cloudy and windy. Very good. That is a good comparison. Yes. There are people who are saying that they are raising up their hands and I cannot pick them. Let me hear from Nantumbe. Nantumbe? 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 Yes, Esther Ginger. Esther? Esther Ginger, your hand is up.
The weather yesterday was sunny and dusty.
Speak up, Esther.
The weather yesterday was sunny and dusty.
Sunny and
dusty.
Dusty, yes.
The weather today is cloudy and windy.
Esther is saying that yesterday it was sunny and cloudy, and today the weather is sunny at her home. Very good.
Yesterday,
yes,
the weather was cloudy and sunny, but today the weather it is sunny and windy.
Very good. At Timothy's home, you can hear the difference of yesterday and today. It cannot be the same. It cannot be the same. There must be a difference. There must, yes, there's someone, Infinix Hot 6, yes. Can we hear from you? Infinix Hot 6?
Yesterday the weather.
Yes?
Yesterday the weather was sunny and windy, but today it is cloudy. But today is cloudy.
Cloudy.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Very good.
Yeah, yesterday's weather was, yeah.
Mine was cloudy. Mine was cloudy.
Who is saying mine?
Nyombi.
Nyombi, yes, Nyombi.
Mine was cloudy.
Yes.
Yes.
And today?
Is sunny.
Today is sunny. That is at
Yes.
Nombi's Press. Members, if we can just look at our answers, the answers we have given, you can easily tell that weather keeps on changing. It keeps on changing from time to time and even from press to press.
Yes.
Joan is saying the weather yesterday was sunny and windy, and today it is sunny. Very good. So we have differences, especially when you move from place to another. For example, if, for example, now you're at home, if you decide to go to town, if you decide, for example, to move from your home to your nearest town, you'll find a different thing. Are we together?
Yes.
So, I want you, you look at my screen. Can you look at my screen?
Yes.
I want you,
Yes.
in your own words, this is all of us. I want you to explain what you understand by weather. From all that people have given us, what do you understand by weather? What do you understand? Now, I want us to take on these answers and then we come out with a right description of what weather is, what we have learned and what we have heard from our members. In your own words, I want you to describe what weather is. And we are going to put all our answers in a pool and then come out with the best description. Yes, Isingoma.
Weather is the daily atmospheric condition of a place recorded. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes. It's recorded.
Weather. Weather.
Yes.
Is the daily atmospheric condition of a place recorded and studied for a short period of time.
Very good. Recorded and studied for a short period of time. That is a singoma. We have that one. Now, yes. Yes, let me see. Joshua. Joshua. If I can hear from, yes, there is Naka West Maria. Maria? Naka West Maria.
Whether are different, yes, are differentiated. Whether are differentiated in the world. Whether are differentiated in the world.
Whether are different changes in the world. Yes, Maria is saying that whether are different changes in the world, we can also put it in a pool, and we shall also come to see if weather means different changes in the world. For example, changes in what, Maria? Maria, what exactly, what changes are you referring to in the world? Maria, what changes in the world? If I change, is that what?
Today is sunny, yes.
Yes. I want you to describe weather using elements. So if you just say it changes in the world, changes are many. It can be change of age, change of location, change of. So Maria, can you be specific? Yes, we have also put your answer in the pool. Yes? Weather is the atmospheric change of the day recorded for a short period of time. If I can read from your chart. Ankunda Fortunate is saying, weather is the mix of events that happen. Yes? Bachira Flourish is saying, weather is the daily atmospheric condition of a place recorded for a short period of time. Very good. If you mention, yes?
Weather is the daily mixture.
Yes, you. Who are you? You are who? Nantumbe. That was Nantumbe?
Madam.
Nantumbe.
You, madam.
Yes, Joshua.
Madam.
Excuse me, madam.
Hello?
Can I hear from Joshua?
Weather is the average weather condition of a place recorded for a short period of time.
That is Joshua. We agree with that. That it is a weather condition of a place recorded for a short time. And we are saying we are putting in a pool. Are we together? Are we together? Yes, Chimera Andrew. Chimera Andrew?
Excuse me, teacher, you're not picking me.
You are who, my dear?
Weather is
okay, Nantumbe. Nantumbe, now it's your turn. Can you talk to us?
Weather is the state of an atmosphere of different places recorded at different periods of time.
Nantumbe is putting in another word of different places recorded at different times. So you are saying it's for a place. It can be your home area, it can be around your school, it can be in town, it can be, name it. But that must be recorded for a short period of time. Very good. Time. Very good. Narura Margaret is saying.
Madam.
Yes.
Even may want to speak.
You speak. You are loud.
Weather is the daily condition of an area recorded for a short period of time.
Very good. Very good. We must specify that it is a short period of time. What I want to tell you is, if you look at our answers in the pool, people are telling us it is daily condition of atmosphere. 2, it must be recorded for a short period
of time.
But my emphasis here is that the weather of a place is a combination of 2 or more conditions in the air. I don't know whether you have realized this. It is a combination of 2 or more conditions. If you can look at our pool, people are saying, today it is sunny and windy. Yesterday it was rainy and windy. Today it is this and this. So we are saying that it can be a combination of 2 or more. Are we together? So
yes,
when you
madam, a question.
Hello, Nantumba?
Madam, a question.
Yes. Is that Nantumba?
Kabari Emmanuel.
Kabari Emmanuel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Teacher, you have said that weather changes.
Yes.
But in Canada, America, in Christmas time,
yes,
we can see snow. That's not how you can see snow, eh?
Yes.
That's not a weather.
I'm not getting you. Your words are, is it because of network or what?
Okay, madam. Madam.
Yes.
In Canada.
Yes.
We can see snow.
Yes.
And yet you have told us that you have sunny, windy, yes, cloudy, and rainy.
Yes.
What of that snow? It was in rainy, in windy, yes, what?
Yes. What have we said? And what am I emphasizing? I'm saying that when you are describing weather, it can be a combination of 2 or more conditions. When we have snow, what is the weather outside? For example, if you are in Canada at that time, what do you think can you see outside? Is it only snow? Can't we say there is wind, there is what? If I can hear from Guzi Everest, if we have a condition of snow, how can you describe weather in case they ask you? Give Everest.
Snowing.
For example, if we have rain around, if it is raining in our place here, how can you describe the weather? Because people were giving us descriptions. It was rainy and windy. And this one is asking, if it is snow, how can you describe weather? For example, if you are staying in Canada. Yes, Joshua?
It is snowy.
No. Come again.
It is winter.
It is snowy.
It is saying it is snowy. There can be snow and then another condition. That is what I was trying to emphasize.
It is winter.
It is winter. But during winter, we can have, there can be wind, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Are you getting?
And cloudy.
What I want to emphasize is, we have said it keeps on changing, it keeps on changing. And when, I want to make this clarification, we called that one for many years. If it is there for many years, now it changes from weather to something else. Are we together? It changes from weather to something else. If it goes on for a very long period of time, we shall come to that. I don't want to mention it today, but today our emphasis is on weather. Are we together? Our emphasis is on weather. So in your books, I want you to try that activity. You describe weather, you compare weather of yesterday and today, you compare the differences, and you give your own definition of weather.
Excuse me, teacher. Excuse me, teacher. I would like to ask a question.
Excuse Madam, are you going to send a note?
Yes.
Teacher, I would like to ask a question.
Let me tell you this. Have you joined the Google Classroom?
Yes.
Yes. So I'm going to send notes there and you'll be able to access them.
Teacher, I want to ask a question.
Okay, I beg your pardon.
Have you joined the Google Classroom?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm going to send everything there.
No. No. Madam.
Thank you, teacher.
Madam.
Yes.
Madam.
Yes.
I would like to ask a question.
Who is that?
Like, for example, in America, in those states,
yes,
like they have weathers in seasons and they don't record them for a period of time.
What have I said? I want to come to that when we come to climate. Have you heard my learners? I don't want us to confuse others. We shall go step by step. Today we have talked about climate. We shall we have talked about weather. Then we shall move to climate. And then we see how that one is also recorded. And for today's lesson, I wanted us to learn about weather. So for now, I'll come to